Hello student, how are you? Hope you are well. Today's once again I come with new video. So welcome to online physical science class for class 9. Today's topic is acid base salt and pH. Subtopic is acid. According to Arrhenius concept, acids are defined as hydrogen containing compound that contain replaceable hydrogen ion and produce only hydrogen ion as cation in aqueous solution is known as acid. For example, HCl, HNO3, H2SO4, HBr, HCN, H2CO3, etc. So, hydrogen is common element present in all acid. Now, classification of acid. Depending upon sources, acid are divided into two main categories: inorganic acid and organic acid. What is inorganic acid? The acid usually prepared from minerals are known as mineral acid or inorganic acid, like hydrochloric acid HCl, nitric acid HNO3, and sulfuric acid. Now, what is organic acid? Here, the acid which are prepared from animal and plants are called organic acid, like formic acid comes from red ant, acetic acid from vinegar, lactic acid from sour milk, stearic acid from fats, malic acid from apples, tartaric acid from tamarind, citric acid from citrus food, uric acid from urine. Now, depending upon dissociation, acids are again divided into two categories: strong acid and weak acid. What is a strong acid? The acid which contain more number of hydrogen atom in aqueous solution is called strong acid, like HNO3, HCl. And weak acid, the acid which contain lower or fewer number of hydrogen ion in aqueous solution is regarded as weak acid, like H2CO3, HCN, etc. Next we go to the another point. Depending upon the basicity of acid, again acid are divided into two categories. Three categories or four categories, sorry. Monobasic acid, diabasic acid, tribasic acid, and tetrabasic acid. What is monobasic acid? The acid which contain only one hydrogen atom is called monobasic acid. Here HCl is monobasic acid. Diabasic acid, one molecule of the acid produces two hydronium ion in aqueous solution. That means number of hydrogen atom present is regarded as diabasic acid. Here example, sulfuric acid H2SO4. Tribasic acid, phosphoric acid H3PO4, regarded as tribasic acid because hydrogen have contain 3 atoms. Similarly, tetrabasic acid, silicic acid. Depending upon composition, again acid are divided into two major category: hydrocid, oxyacid. In hydroacid, acid which does not contain oxygen in its molecule is known as hydroacid. Here look, HCl have no oxygen, so it is hydroacid. HBr, HI, HCN, etc. Oxyacid, acid contain oxygen. Example, H2SO4 CH3. Next we go to the another point, that is importance of properties of acid. Important properties of acid. Acid are, first property, acid are sour to taste. Second, they turns blue litmus red. And third property, like boric acid, oxalic acid, citric acid or tetraacid, are solid in nature. Some important uses of acid. Boric acid uses a eye lotion, carbolic acid soft drink, nitric acid to prepare explosive, and phosphoric acid to prepare fertilizer. Similarly, oxalic acid is used in ink stain remover, tartaric acid preparing baking soda, and acetic acid as vinegar for cooking. Here we finish today's chapter. Hope you understand the chapter. See you on the next video. Till then, bye.